ప్రెజెన్స్ తో బ్యూటిఫుల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ని అలాగే డాన్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ తో ఇరగదీస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కనిపించగానే ఊర్వశి ఏంటంటే కొన్ని సీజనల్ చేంజెస్ చేసేస్తుంది. వింటర్ నుంచి సమ్మర్గా మారిపోతూ ఉంటుంది సీజన్ కూడా. సో రిక్వెస్టింగ్ ఊర్వశి టు ప్లీజ్ స్పీక్.
First of all, good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here and wishing you all a very happy new year. And as you can see that our film is releasing Daku Maharaj on 12th of January. So please do go and watch it in theaters. It's a, it is a family film and you all are going to enjoy it. But I'm extremely grateful for all the love which we've been receiving from all over the globe, especially for Dabidi Dibidi and for the film itself, the trailer. Both the trailers and the Dabidi Dibidi, they're almost about to touch 20 million views on YouTube, which is such a big mark in such a short span of time. So it wouldn't have been possible without all you audiences. And I want to thank to, the God of masses, Balakrishna Garuji, that, he knows the impulses of the entire audiences from the entire India, and all of your fans especially, they all are excited to see what you have created on 12th of January. And it is, again, as I said, like a blessing. Thank you so very much for such a world-class opportunity and for making such a big film. And the kind of trust and faith I have in you is more than what I have in myself. So yeah, I mean, we all have tremendous faith in you, and thank you so much. Keep making such an amazing films day by day, and I really hope and I'm praying that it really breaks all your films records and it emerges like a victory at the Makar Sankranti's Daku Maharaj. We all are praying really hard, so thank you so very much. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. Also, I want to thank two wonderful, ultra gorgeous, beautiful, stunning actresses, Pragya Jaiswal, Shraddha Srinath, who I'm meeting for the first time. I'm really mesmerized with all your acting skills. You in Jersey, the Telugu version, it was really amazing. Your acting skills are par excellent. Same for you, Pragya. You are so gorgeous, and you have a very different and very beautiful aura. So it is my pleasure to meet both of you, such a beautiful actresses. And hello to you. Hi. We're waiting for the first time, but so nice to see you. And our fight master, especially. I don't know, आप मेरे से नजरें क्यों चुरा रहे हैं वेंकट जी, but the kind of he has a very different level of friendship with the director. They all are always together, like a jodi they have. So yeah, but thank you so much for giving me such an amazing action sequences and for trusting me with all the kind of action which we have done in the film, which is going to be like a surprise. I'm sorry, I've said such a long speech, but I'm going to finish it. But thank you so much. Thanks to all the members of media for supporting our film. And don't forget Daku Maharaj, 12th of January.
Yes,
thank you.
షోలో టికెట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ అయిపోయాయి, మీరు బుకింగ్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ వన్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్ క్వాలిటీ దట్ యూ వాంట్ టు స్టీల్ ఫ్రమ్ బాలకృష్ణ గారు?
I think his energy. I want to be as energetic as him, and I wish like how he's so open and how he is like just so himself. He does whatever he feels like. I wish I could have that kind of quality. And of course, he is such a big legendary superstar actor and a politician. Congratulations to you, sir. I really hope that I can have like a amazing like a filmography just like him. So yeah.
Thank you so much. I asked for one quality, but I think you have a list of qualities.
Yeah, because he has so many qualities. How can I say one quality about a person who is so magnanimous? Like,
got that. Thank you so much. And మీరు కొత్తగా రిలీజ్ అయిన ట్రైలర్ చూసారా?
Yeah.
The new trailer. Did you watch the new trailer?
Yes, I've seen
so shall we watch it once again?
Oh yeah, okay.
With Balai Babu garu together?
Yes.